how to get free credit report. To start, open Google and search Get Free Credit Report. Click the first link, and in here, so we have the website annualcreditreport.com where you could request your free credit reports. And then you will see the 3 steps to your free online credit reports. First, we need to fill out a form. Click Request Your Credit Reports and key in your personal details. Then click Next. We have step 2. Pick the reports that you want. Request your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Then third, request and review reports online. So there's a note in here. You repeat this step for each credit report. And that's it. That's how to get free credit reports.